Aramis, I need to record now. Yeah? Are you going to be quiet? Alright, welcome everyone. My name is K. Michael Russell. I am a comic book colorist, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's that time of the year. If you follow my channel for very long, it's my 4th annual, I think, Black Friday sale. And this year I wanted to, first I'll go into some details on what I'm going to be offering this year, but I wanted to make sure you guys know about the other perks that are included with some of these courses, because I think a lot of people just assume it's just more videos. But there's some additional little pluses that you get just for being enrolled in these courses. So I want to go into some detail on that, and also tell you guys about a new option that I've added to even make it more affordable than it's been before. So I really think this is one of the best sales that I've done. I think you guys will find that there's a lot of value to be had here. So first off, let's take a look. Let's get into, so if you go to o1artschool.com, okay, O1 as in zeros and ones, digital. The courses are split up really into two primary areas. There's the Photoshop courses, which are sort of like the flagship courses. I think I've got this pulled up already over here. So yeah, there's two coloring with Photoshop courses, and these are my main flagship courses that if you're wanting to learn how to color, you're serious about becoming a colorist, this is the place to start, because it really starts from the very beginning with definitions on the tools and how to set everything up, and presets are included, and my actions from Photoshop, and there's lots of things, just to shortcuts there to make that easier for you. We talk about everything from line prep all the way through kind of the business of being a colorist and finding work, and some tips on that kind of stuff. That's the first course. There's also a second course called the Masterclass. Now this one includes some really cool stuff. Every month we meet up, we have a live class, and we do critiques. I'll go over everyone's work that sends stuff in for that month. And sometimes we'll even do like little homework. It's not really homework, you don't have to do it, of course. But I'll just kind of present some challenge of some kind. Maybe it's just using values, or maybe it's coloring something with only flat colors, and we just kind of experiment with different things. The one coming up tomorrow morning, actually, we're going to be looking at flat colors alone, and so that's something we'll be discussing. But you get that live class every month included, and you only have to pay once. Honestly, what's going to happen this year with this class is probably going to become a separate add-on with its own kind of small monthly fee. So if you're interested in this for a one-time fee, I would sign up, because I'm going to grandfather everyone that's in there now into the new deal, whenever that comes. I don't know yet. There's also a Facebook group as part of that that's just students in my courses. So it's not just a bunch of spam and crap, and I have rules that we try to follow, and we go off topic every now and then. But I didn't want it to turn into one of those crappy Facebook groups some of you guys know about that just end up becoming a spam festival and all that kind of stuff. So, but other thing I wanted to point out is, even if you signed up today, you can actually go back and watch. Right now it's a full year of these classes that are available, and because every week or every month that we do them, I put a copy of it at the end of the course. And so even if you missed all these and you sign up today, you can go back and watch all of them, and there's a lot of material here. We're talking probably 12 to 15 hours just in the classes, and that's not counting the, I don't know, it's 8 or 10 hours of lessons in this course. So if you thought that this was just about new videos or different videos, the perks to me are just as valuable as the videos themselves. But anyway, right now I'll go ahead and mention, below my face with a giant arrow pointing to it, beating you over the head with it, is the coupon code for this year. It's BF2018. And the other thing I wanted to point out this year is that there are two ways to purchase, actually. So let me find the bundle. Okay, so this is the I call it the big bundle. It has basically all of the courses except for the newest Light and Shadow Made Easy. That one hasn't been added to the bundle yet. But if you click into this bundle at the bottom, it'll show you all of the, whoops, I resized my window. It'll show you all the courses that are included, the Photoshop courses, the Procreate courses. I'll talk about those in just a second. But you can either pay the one-time fee, or I added monthly payments not that long ago. And the coupon code works even with the monthly payment. So you could actually get everything that I've made except for Light and Shadow Made Easy, which is still separate right now, for $19.50 for 5 months. Just 5 months. After that, it's done. You don't have to keep paying it. So $20 a month for 5 months, and you can have access to all of this stuff. Okay, that's the Photoshop courses, that's the Procreate courses, you know, the classes, all the downloads, because all of these courses have like downloadable, you know, files, PSD files, Procreate files, you know, line art. There's a ton of sequential line art you can use for your portfolio. All that stuff's included. Now, we talked about the Photoshop side. On the Procreate side, there are 3 courses. Number 1 is the Beginner's Guide, and I think, yeah, this is it right here. So the Beginner's Guide to Photoshop, if you've been watching my channel, Beginner's Guide to Procreate, sorry, yeah, this is Procreate. It's Beginner's Guide to Digital Art with Procreate, technically. And if you've been watching my channel, you've enjoyed the Procreate videos, but you're not sure where to start, you know, that's what this is for. You know, it goes into the basics of just using the app, all the different tools, different techniques you can use for each one. And the other thing you'll notice is some of these lessons, a lot of these lessons in some cases, are actually preview lessons. They're free previews. So you can just click on it and sign in with an email and just watch it, you know. And you don't have to pay anything just for the free preview. It's free, no credit card, no anything. So the preview, you can check out, of course, no risk on your part if you want. But that's the first Procreate course. That's the Beginner's Guide. There's also an Advanced Guide, which goes into a little bit more detail, obviously, or a lot more detail on some of the more kind of technical trickery that you can do with Procreate. So if you're not familiar with that, again, that would be included in that big bundle. By the way, this coupon code below my face works on any one of these, any of the bundles of courses. So it doesn't really, you know, matter how you go about doing it, whether it's a bundle or individually. And then there's also the last Procreate course is Grayscale to Color, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It goes into taking a sketch, like just a pencil sketch, all the way through to like a value painting with black and white, and then how to add color and get the, you know, nice color variations. Because I know a lot of people struggle with Grayscale to Color, because I've even struggled before, because it can be a little different to work with. I came up with some cool techniques here to kind of learn how to do all that, and that's another one of the courses. And the last one is if you weren't really specifically interested in coloring comics or Procreate, there's also just a kind of general practical color theory course for digital artists specifically. We're not mixing paints or anything here, but you can go in and take a look at that, and there might be some overlap between this course and some of the Photoshop courses, but there's still different lessons, and but if you're in the Photoshop courses, this one would just kind of be bonus, because some of these items are covered. They're still different lessons, but the best deal by far for this year is that big bundle. You can basically get, like I said, everything that I've made so far for less than $100. You can pay it over a period of 5 months if you want, and it includes everything except for Light and Shadow Made Easy, which I did a video on this not too long ago. This is a brand new course that talks about rendering, but all of these courses have video little promos with them as well. You can watch and learn more. And so anyway, if you've been on the fence about, you know, picking any of these up for whatever reason, now's a good time. And it really is it's a way for me to sort of say thank you to you guys. And I wouldn't be where I am right now without all the subscribers on this channel and all the viewers. I know there's some of you viewers aren't subscribed, but I do hope that you'll check it out. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to use the comments. I always check all of those. I don't respond to everything. I try to respond to as much as possible, but all the constructive stuff anyway. So that about covers it. So thank you guys for watching. Of course, the links are in the description as always. and have a happy Thanksgiving. Take care.